In this video, I show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. Here we are on Instagram, and just a quick note, this guide is going to work on all sorts of different devices, including iOS, Android. I'll be explaining how to do each of them. So if you want to go enable dark mode on your iOS device, then you actually need to go enable dark mode throughout your whole settings. So for example, if your device is set to light mode, then Instagram is going to appear in the light mode. And if it's set to the dark mode, then Instagram is going to appear in the dark mode. So therefore, if you want Instagram to appear dark, your whole device settings have to be set to be dark on iOS. So to do that, all you need to do is drag down to your control center, just like so, and then go and 3D touch onto your brightness, just like so, or hold on to it, just like that. And then you can go and tap on dark mode in the bottom left, just like that. And boom, dark mode is enabled and Instagram is in a dark mode as well. Alternatively, you can go and open up your device settings, go to display and brightness, and also go and switch between them as well. As you can see, that's also going to go and change the setting. It's that easy. Now, to go and do it on Android is a little bit different. You don't need to go and set your whole device to dark or light for Instagram to be affected. You can just go and individually change Instagram settings. So to do that, all you need to do is go and click on the three bars on Android in the top right of your profile page, just like so. Go to your settings, and there's going to be an option for theme, and within theme you can then go and change the app appearance from whether it be light or dark. If you can't see it in your settings, just go and search dark mode. It's not going to pop up on an iOS device because this is an Android, of course. But there we go, guys. That is how you can go and change Instagram to dark mode easily. If you found it useful, please leave a like. Peace.